welcome to Essence class. Now the topic of this video is cash flow statement. Under this video we will discuss the activities and classification of cash flow as per Accounting Standard 3, which is a part of corporate accounting as well as financial management. Let's start. Classification of cash flow statement or activities of cash flow statement includes three types of activities. First is operating activities of cash flow. Second one is financing. First one is operating activities of cash flow. Second one is investing activities of cash flow, and third one is financing activities of cash flow. Look at the first one, cash flow from operating activities. We will remember one thing: all activities which result in the profit or loss are known as operating activities. I repeat, all those activities which are having major effect on profit of the organization or loss of the organization are known as operating activities. Operating activities are the principal revenue producing activities of the enterprises, and other activities which are related to investing, which are related to financial activities are not included here. Operating activities include cash effect of those transactions and events that enter into determination of net profit and net loss. Look at some examples of operating activities. Cash received from sale of goods and rendering services. An organization has to do some activities of selling, has to do some activities of rendering services. If cash is coming in the organization, that is cash inflow from operating activities. Second one is cash received from royalties, fees, commissions and other revenues. If organization is getting cash from these type of activities such as royalty fees, commissions and other revenues, that is also known as cash inflow from operating activities. Cash payment to the supplier of goods and services. If cash is paid to the suppliers to the services, that is known as cash outflow from operating activities, because cash is going out of the organization. Cash payment to and on behalf of employees are also part of operating activities, and this is outflow of cash because cash is going out of the organization. Cash receipts and payments of an insurance enterprises for premium, claims, annuities and other policy benefits. If cash is coming, that is called inflow of cash from operating activities. If cash is going out of the organization, out of the enterprises, out of the company, that is known as cash outflow from operating activities. Cash payments or refunds to the income tax is also activity of operating as cash flow statement. Cash payment or refund of income tax is also activities of operating, because if cash is coming, that is inflow of cash from operating activities. If cash is going, as I said, that is known as outflow of operating activities. But condition is this: they can be specifically identified with the financing and investing activities. Clear? Next one is cash receipts and payment relating to the future contract, forward contracts, option contracts and swap contracts. That is also known as operating activities, but condition is that the contracts or dealing must be in the nature of trading or trading purpose. Look at second one, cash flow from investing activities. all those activities which are related to long-term investments, long-term assets, that is known as investing activities. This activity shows that where the organization, the enterprise, the company has invested the money, or from which sources the cash is coming in the organization, in the company, in the enterprises, by selling fixed assets or fixed long-term investments. In other words, if the transaction made by the organization for purchasing or selling long-term productive assets such as building, lands, plant and machinery, those are known as investing activity. Through these activities, if cash is coming in the organization, that is called inflow of investing activities. If cash is going out of the organization, that is known as outflow of cash by investing activities. Look at some examples. Cash payment to acquire fixed assets, that is also known as investing activities, because cash is going out of the organization at the time of purchasing fixed assets. Cash received from disposal of fixed assets. If cash received from dispose of fixed asset, that is also known as investing activity. And here intangible assets are also included. Cash payment to acquired shares, warrant shares, debt instruments from the other enterprises, that is also called as cash outflow of investing activities, because assets are buying in these type of investing or investment activities. Look at another example. Cash received from disposal of share, warrant shares, instruments and other enterprises, and interest in joint ventures are also known as investing activities, because cash is receiving here, so cash inflow is occurring here, and as a result cash activities is doing by the organization. Next one, cash advance and loan made to third party, also related to investing activities. Look at the next one. Cash received from the payment of advance loan made to the third party is also investment activities of the organization. Cash receipts and payment relating to future contracts, forward contracts, option contracts, but condition is same. The transaction must be related to business activities. Look at the next, that is third point or third activities, cash flow from financing activities. As I said, in investing activities we have to notice all the fixed assets, all the fixed investments or long-term investments. Under the financing activities we have to see all those activities of long-term liabilities which are related to share capital, owner's capital, borrowing of the enterprises. It means if company is getting capital out of shares, or company is taking borrowing loans, if company is taking loans for long terms, that activities are known financing activities, because from those amounts, from those sums, company has to change itself, company can revive itself, company can stay in the business, company can fight against the competitors. Look at some examples of financing activities. Cash proceedings or cash proceeds from issuing of shares or similar instruments. If company is getting cash by issuing shares, that is known as financing activities, because cash is coming in the organization, that is called inflow of financing activities. Cash proceeds from issuing of debentures, loan notes, bonds and others borrowing terms, that is known as cash inflow from financing activities. Cash is coming. If payment is made for these type of instruments such as redemption of debentures, bonds and borrowing loan borrowed loan, that is known as financing activities, but cash is going out of the organization, so outflow of cash from financing activity is known here, is called here. Cash payments to redeem preference shares, cash is going out of the organization, out of the firm, out of the company, so outflow of cash from financing activity is known here, is called here. And last is payment of dividend. Payment of dividend, if company is paying dividend, then cash is going out of the organization, out of the firm, out of the company, so it is also known outflow of cash from financing activity. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.